Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2024 Chrysler Pacifica and I will show you how to reset the oil life and set it to 100%. This video should apply to Chrysler Pacificas made from 2017 all the way up to 2026. There was a facelift in 2021, so I'm not 100% sure this will apply to the older models, but it should. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, now to do this, you'll be using these menu buttons on the left side of the steering wheel, and you will look at this small screen on the instrument cluster. So first press the down button once to get to the vehicle info menu, and then keep pressing the right button until you reach the oil life. Okay, here it is. Now mine is at 52%, so to reset it, how it says, hold OK to reset. Now I will not reset it on my vehicle because I want to know when my next oil change is due, but to reset it you will press and keep holding this OK button, and that will set your oil life to 100%. And you should do this every time you do the oil change, because that way you can monitor when the next oil change is due. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.